Assalamu alaikum. According to the statistics of the fire service and the civil defense, an average of 20,000 fires occur in our country every year. It caused damage to goods worth more than 300 crore and caused an estimated 1,000 casualties.
But only a little awareness can protect you from this loss of property. Our company, FireTrade, has brought the latest firefighting system to protect your organization and lives from fire. Let us know how our products or systems work. If there is a fire in your office, shop, home or shopping mall, our smoke and heat detector system will immediately detect it and notify you where the fire started through our control panel. Central fire alarms will play an alarm when it receives a signal from the control panel, and the flashlight will be flashing so that people can quickly take shelter in a safe place to escape from the fire. High-pressure electric-driven jockey and fire pumps including the hydrant system will be connected with sprinkler on our fire protection system to fight against flames. If the room temperature goes over 57 degrees Celsius, the sprinkler will burst automatically and spray water at high speed to bring the fire under control. During a fire occurrence, the main power line will be disconnected for greater safety, and our own diesel-powered fire pump will start automatically to douse the fire. You can also use fire hydrant hose pipes of our system, which will be installed on different floors of the building to protect yourself against fire. Besides the automatic system, we have different types of fire extinguishers, such as foam type for gas-originated fires, dry powder type for chemical reaction-generated fires, carbon dioxide type fire extinguishers for electricity-generated fires, etc. We also install emergency exit door for a safety exit. Using the emergency exit door or the emergency exit stairway, people can quickly exit from the fire incident places and go to a safer place. So, to prevent a fire accident in your organization, you can use the whole system we have shown here or our individual products. Contact us today to collect firemen and various life-saving equipments.